Sick of the taste, sick of the wasted energy. But I'm afraid I keep coming back to you and me. Say that you'll change, take me to places we can keep. You're close to me,
We're going into HIIT.
when you're gonna love me
We go
hard, when you're gonna
down
love me hard.
and squeeze.
I don't wanna break this
Circle your
heart,
hips
I don't wanna
round
break
and
this heart.
squeeze. That's it.
No matter where I
Slow.
stay,
Squeeze your bum at the top. Yes. Woo. And again. Down and squeeze.
When you fell in love
And
with me,
squeeze.
I stay,
And
I
squeeze.
stay.
Yeah, you can feel sexy doing this. Woo! Yes, you do. Now let's speed it up. Here we go. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and again. Hey, get lower. Push it back.
Step in the back, I get attached the more I
Keep going.
bleed.
10 more seconds.
You show
Go.
me love, you say I'm the one, lay next to
You
me.
got this. This is
Stuck
your
in the
7-minute
moment, show me
beat.
you
Work
want
hard.
me. Show me that you're being
And
on me,
breathe.
let's go.
Well done. Breathe
No
in.
matter where I stay,
Breathe out. Heel steps coming up. Last one. We're nearly there. Are we ready? 3, 2, 1. We go. Heel and step. Heel. Now 4, 3, 2, 1. And again. Heel and step. Yes. 4, 3, 2. And again. Heel, knee up. Heel, knee in. Yay. Keep going. Heel and step. Heel and 4, 3, 2, 1, and again. Yes. Keep going. 3, 2, 1, and heel and step.
when you're gonna love me
4,
hard. I don't wanna
3,
break this
2,
heart, I don't wanna
keep
break
it
this
up.
heart.
Heel and step.
When you're gonna love
Heel.
me hard, when you're gonna love me
4,
hard.
3, 2,
I don't wanna break this
1,
heart,
and
I don't wanna
heel.
break this heart.
Heel, last
When you're gonna love me hard,
4,
when you're gonna
3,
love me hard.
2, 1,
I don't
and
wanna
rock.
break this heart, I don't
Well
wanna break
done.
this heart.
You've completed 7-minute beat. See you tomorrow. Woo!
I don't wanna break this heart.
Congratulations, you're amazing. You've completed your 7-minute beats. You have released happy hormones that will uplift your mood and energy for the next 24 hours.